Welcome to a new ice cream review. Today we can try Viennetta by Unilever Corporation. And you know, it's perfect time to make ice cream review right now in my life because I just ate this super spicy hot noodle in my previous video and my mouth is burning like crazy. So I need some ice cream to cool it down. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. This is the box. Viennetta, and we have this heart logo. When you see this, you know it's ice cream made by Unilever. Let's see. Unilever logo over here. We have ingredients and nutrients. Pause the video if you want to see them. And please recycle. Yes, I will do. I will recycle this box after I'm finished eating this. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, it comes sealed, so that's very good. No bacteria can go inside the box, and it will stay more fresh this way. Nice, I like this. It's cute. Let's go ahead and open this one too. Ooh. Ooh, look at this, guys. Ho, 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 ho. It's like a cake. Ice cream cake. Damn. That's some yummy looking ice cream. Nice. Look at this. Look at the perfect wave shapes they have made over here. So they have some kind of dark chocolate over here with layer of normal chocolate ice cream and vanilla. And between they have more chocolate layers. That's gonna be really good. Let's cut the piece and put it on the plate. How much will I eat? I'm a big boy, I will eat a big piece. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. You see? You see? Damn, can I touch this? Oh shit, my hand is getting messy. No! No! Look at this. Look at my hand. I'm like a baby. Okay. Okay, so this is the ice cream. Let's go ahead and put it back. Ew. Imagine all the bacteria coming from my hand. I'm glad I washed my hands before. Okay, let's go ahead and taste it up. Okay, here we go. Viennetta ice cream cake. Looks delicious. It's a little bit melted already, so that's good. Let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. So yummy. Mmm. Not bad. Let's take another big piece. Damn, the camera is not focusing because it's focusing on my face. Hold on. Maybe now, maybe now. Okay, never mind. Mmm. I'm just happy that the hot ramen noodle spiciness is getting washed out of my mouth with this. It was super spicy. I really like the mixture of this chocolate and vanilla. It's really creating this unique flavor. And the texture of this ice cream is also unique because they have this chocolate, like, what do you call it, plates inside the chocolate, like, you see, they have these plates of chocolate between them, so it's like layers of chocolate, so it's creating this unique texture that you can like taste. It's crunchy but soft at the same time. I think I had this kind of ice cream, this Viennetta, a long time ago when I was a kid. And I didn't like it so much back then. I don't know why. But now, when I'm an adult, it tastes much better. I think this is like ice cream for adults. Like, you saw the packaging, it was kind of classy. It's not for marketed for kids like other ice creams. And yeah, everything about this ice cream is like classy. The outfit is classy. They made it really like luxurious looking, and it looks like a cake. The ice cream is also really unique. Like, it's a little bit like this. What is it called? Like, the ice cream is not as sweet as usual. It's a little bit more like for adult taste, I would say. Like, I had this raisin, some kind of rum raisin ice cream a long time ago when I was a kid, and I hated it. And I get little bit vibes of that in here. But it's good ice cream. I think compared to like Magnum, another ice cream that Unilever makes, it's not nearly as good, to be honest, flavor wise. But I mean, if you have a party and you want to serve many people, this you can easily cut like pieces and put them on the plates. And it's not melting like other ice creams because the layers of chocolate are connecting them together. So that's good. But flavor wise, not as good as the other premium ice creams like Ben & Jerry's and Magnum. What should I give it? I think I'm gonna give it 7.5 out of 10 flavor wise. Like, the ice cream flavor it's just not up there with the other premium brands. But overall, I like the texture a lot. They have the layer of chocolate that's keeping them together. The packaging was good also. Like, it's inside the box and they have back inside. So maybe I'm gonna go ahead and up it to 8 out of 10. It's a good ice cream. It's not perfect, but it's good. So yeah, Viennetta is getting 8 out of 10. This has been a long review because I didn't know what to say about this ice cream. Like, it's really hard to comment about this. Yeah. Thanks anyway for watching. If you're still watching, like, I appreciate it. Like, yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Anyway, I appreciate watching, and make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next review. We're gonna taste more ice creams and other products too. This is Consumer Goods Expert. Thanks for watching, and peace out.